Introducing Layer AI, the professional game artist tool for harnessing the power of AI. With this tool, you can create game assets in any style, and even train your own style. Create professional game assets in a full-featured forge that gives your artists complete control. And most importantly, you can collaborate with your team on this tool. Alright, let's start our journey with Layer AI. Just head over to layer.ai or click on the link given in the description. Once you are on this page, get started for free from here and then create an account. Once you are logged in, your interface will look like this. Here, you will find several tools. First, the real-time tool. This is to generate 2D images in real time. After that, the 2D tool is used to create 2D assets in various styles. After that, the 3D tool to turn any 2D assets into 3D models. Next, we have the upscale tool, then the canvas tool to refine any 2D assets. And in the end, the style tool to train your own style. First of all, let's train a model. This is the style trainer interface. Here, you will find two options. First, to train a new style. And the second one is to upload a pre-trained style file. I will train a new style, so I am selecting the first option. Once you are on this page, simply click on Get Started. On the next page, we have to enter our style name. I will create a model style, so I am typing my model name. After that, we have to set the style base. Here, you will find Flux, Stable Diffusion, and Beira. I will go with Flux. Next, we have to choose the style type. You'll find a bunch of options. I will go with single character. You should select as per your need. Once everything is set, hit the next button from here. Now we have to upload 6 to 25 consistent high-quality images. I'm uploading some images. Once the images are uploaded, it will take some time to process them and generate the caption. Once the caption is generated, review them and, if needed, customize the captions. Once you're done, click on the Next button. On the next page, we have to enter at least 3 different prompts so that Layer AI can understand our prompt and generate more precise results. After entering the prompt, hit the Next button. On the next page, you will see the overall look of your style. If you are satisfied, click on the Create Style button from here. Now, I will analyze all the data and train the style. This process will take some time. At that time, let's try the other incredible features of Layer AI. Okay, now let's create 2D images with Layer AI. This is the 2D image or asset creation interface. Now, to create any asset, we have to select the style first. You will find a bunch of styles here. This is literally a vast library of styles. You just have to select the one you want to use. For example, I am selecting Cartoon 3D. After selecting the style, we have to enter the text prompt here in this box. I am typing one girl 20 years old, blonde hair, blue eyes, standing on a boulder. This is a very poor prompt. Don't worry, we make it rich by clicking on the Enhance button from here. And here it is. Our prompt is ready. This is amazing. Alright, next, we have some Forge references. Here you can add a reference image, style reference, and color reference. And in the More option, you will find options like face reference, pose reference, and others. That means you can create images with a specific face, style, pose, and color. That's really amazing. Okay, after reference settings, we have to set the aspect ratio. After that, you will find an interesting feature called transparency. With this tool, you can generate transparent background images. That will be very helpful if you want to create 3D models using the generated assets. After that, the tileable texture. This is also very interesting. After that, in the batch size, you can set the number of images you want to generate. Then, you will find some advanced settings here. You can set seed, guide and scale, and other settings. Okay, once you are done, hit the Forge 2D button from here to generate the assets or images. And here it is. The images are ready. You can see that it did a great job. I like the images Layer AI generated for us. However, if you don't like the images, you can always regenerate them. Simply tweak the settings if needed, and then hit the Forge 2D button from here. And these are the newly generated images. They are pretty decent. Now, let's create some more images with transparent backgrounds. I am turning on the transparency option and then clicking on the Forge 2D button. And here are transparent background images. You may find some inconsistencies or issues in the images. Don't worry, we can solve this issue in Canvas. Here, on the right side, you will find the option to edit. In Canvas, regenerate the image, create variation, create a 3D model, upscale the image, and export the image. Alright, now imagine I want to tweak this image. So, I have to click on the Edit in Canvas button from here. Okay, this is the Canvas editor. Now, imagine I want to change the background of this image. So, what do I need to do? First, I will remove the background by clicking on the Remove BG tool. You can see that the background has been removed. If you find any issues here, you can tweak them with the eraser tool. Now it's perfect. Okay, now I will create a new background. Before that, I will hide this layer and create a new layer from here so that we can customize all the assets without any hassle. Okay, after creating a new layer, come to the prompt box here. Delete the existing prompt and enter your new prompt. After that, if needed, enhance the prompt. Once done, come to the settings. Set all the settings as per your need, like before, and then hit the Forge 2D button. And here it is. The images are ready. Now, you can select anyone from here to add to the canvas. If you don't like them, generate new images. It's very fast, so it won't be difficult for you. Alright, I found the best image for me. Now, to add the image to the canvas, you have to click on the Accept button from here. If you click on the drop-down button from here and select Add to a new layer, then it will be added as a new layer. After adding the background, make the character layer visible and drag it on top of the background layer. Once done, scale the character and set the position as needed. Now, you may notice that the character's position does not look natural. It looks very fake. I will solve this issue. First, I am selecting the foot area with the selection tool. After selecting the area, come to the prompt box and enter the related prompt. For example, I am typing a shoe on a brick-made road. After that, set the similarity of the reference area. Next, set all other settings and hit the Forge 2D button. And we got 4 results. If the result doesn't work perfectly, try again. This one looks perfect to me, so I am adding a new layer. Now, using the same method, I will create images for the second foot and then add the perfect one as a new layer. Alright, now the image looks perfect and the character seems like a part of the background. There are so many editing tools available here in Canvas. I suggest exploring them to generate a great result. Alright, once you are done, click on the Export button to download the image. You can export the image as a PNG or a PSD file. If you want further customization in Photoshop, then download the image as a PSD file. Alright, now let's discuss how to generate a 3D model or transform your 2D asset into one. To do that, access the 3D tool from the dashboard. This is the 3D model generator interface. First, we have to select a 3D generator model between Rodin, Trellis, and Tripo V 2.0. After selecting the model, you will find options to select image to 3D and text to 3D. This time, let's generate a 3D model from our generated image. Simply click here and then upload the 2D image. Next, if you want to generate texture, turn on this tool, and in the end, set the face limit of your 3D model. Once everything is set, hit the Forge 3D button from here. And here it is. Our 3D model is ready. You can see the preview from here. This is just amazing. Now, you can export the model to your device and use it in any project. Alright, to generate a 3D model from a text prompt, go to the Text to Model tab from here. After that, enter the prompt in the box. You can enhance the prompt as well. After that, set the texture and face limit settings. Once done, hit the Forge 3D button. And here it is. Our 3D model is ready. And the model looks like this. This is amazing. So now, you can generate amazing 2D and 3D assets within a few seconds using Layer AI. Alright, now let's try to generate images using our own trained style. Go to the Style tool again. Now you can see our trained model here. Simply click on Forge with this style from here. Now, just like the 2D asset generation, enter the prompt in the prompt box and then set all other settings. Once done, hit the Forge 2D button. And here you can see the result. It keeps the character very consistent. So now, you can create amazing, consistent assets by training your own style. In conclusion, Layer AI can be your best assistant if you are a 3D artist or a game asset builder. Remember to try it yourself. The link is in the description. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching.